Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to upgrade or how to buy armor for your car in GTA 5 Online. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to come to Los Santos Customs, and it should be like that spray thing. Spray like what's it called? Spray image, whatever, on the map. Actually, I don't think I can use this car. Hold on. Let me try with this car. Okay, there we go. Okay. Anyways, yeah, so once we do, get into the mechanic shop, in order to upgrade your armor, you can first repair it as well. And it's the first one right here, armor, and then you should be able to upgrade it. And then if you want to get the 100%, you will need to be rank 100. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.